Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Zapon and today we are doing a review on this Whitney and Tarte Eye and Cheek palette collaboration. If you are interested to see how these formulas work and how I use the shades to recreate this look, just keep on watching. This package looks like this. This does retail for $35. Of course, it comes with the palette, a lipstick, as well as a mascara. I don't think I've ever tried a mascara from Tarte. I've tried everything else, but the mascaras, I guess they're just not my go-to. We're gonna go ahead and start off with swatching the lipstick. It's super cute packaging. It has little sneakers on them, and this is in the shade Bare Bud, and comes out with this much product in it. Now moving on to the palette, the packaging looks like. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a mirror right here and it says shape your money maker. This is the highlight, blush, and then she has 4 matte shades and 2 foil shades. I will go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Of course, swatching them, it does look a little different than applying them, so I'm gonna go ahead and do both. So this is the lipstick in Bare Bud. That's the lipstick right there, super cute pink nude. And then going in with Flex is the highlight shade, so that's the shade right there. And then I'm going in with Sweat, which is her blush, which is right there. It's a cute pink blush shade. Moving on to the shade right next to the highlight shade, Cut, which is just a bone colored. It's almost a bone colored shadow, but it has a little bit of peach into it, so you can see that right there. And then we're gonna go in with a Snatch right there. And then I'm gonna go in with Tone Up right here. Now moving on to the bottom row, the first 2 foil shades is Trainer, which is super beautiful. It's almost like a coppery, it's almost like a copper, I need to flip you off. It's almost like a copper color. And then going in with Cardio, it's super cute right there. And then last but not least, we are doing the shade Reps, which is like a perfect chocolate brown color. Now moving on to the eye look, I am going to be doing a more simple eye look with this because this palette was designed for a girl on the go, especially with the little nude lipstick and mascara with this little palette. Because not everyone has time to sit there and do their makeup and they don't want to worry about what looks great or shadows to use. So I'm going to take Cut, and I'm blending that all right above my crease and using this as my transition shade. I'm going to be using Snatched and Reps. I'm going to be blending this into the crease and dragging that down to my lid. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of Tone Up, and I'm going to be re-blending this over my crease, where a little bit over where my crease is at, and blending that in, and then going back in with Reps and darkening that up. And using our fingers to do this, I'm going to be taking Cardio with my ring finger, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Back in again with the shade Trainer. I'm going to be using my middle finger. I'm not flipping you guys off. I'm going to put that over the middle of my lid. Going in with Reps, I'm going to put that into my outer V. I'm not going to be using a liner today, so I'm taking Snatched and Reps, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. I'm going to take Snatched and Reps, and I'm going to run that down my lash line. So we're going to be going on to using the blush, which is Sweat, and I'm going to be using my Sephora 59 brush. Now we're going to be taking the Morphe Y4 and we're going to be taking Flex, which is the highlight shade, and we're just going to go ahead and apply. And taking Flex and going that in with our inner corners. Now going in with the mascara, I'm just going to be using my Lancome eyelash curler. That mascara, I don't think it did anything for me. There are better mascaras out there that can make your lashes more voluminous. If you have like short lashes like I do, that's probably not gonna be great for you. Okay, now moving on to the lipstick. It is Bare Bud. It's super smooth. I love it. It is a little bit too light for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liner to make it a little bit darker. This is the completed look, and I do want to say congratulations to Whitney and Tarte coming out with this palette. It's super adorable. It's great for someone who is always on the go. It's great for someone who is starting off with makeup and you're not sure what to use, you're not sure which colors to blend, and the shades are easy to blend. It does have a little bit of kickback. Overall, it is a great palette. I love it. Do I need it? No, but because I have so many of these neutral shade palettes, but it's Whitney Simmons and I wanted to support her, so I went ahead and purchased this. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Comment down below if you guys are gonna purchase this palette. Do you guys know Whitney Simmons? Or comment down below what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.